We have our front door right here, and to the left we come into the bathroom. As you see, the flooring is kind of the same as the shower flooring. It's a little different. We have a curtain right here. Right here we do have our sink, and then we have a big old mirror. We got a hair dryer here. We also have our iron. This is our shower. It's pretty dark. Not a pretty good size actually. And then we have our amenities right there from that brand. Got our, maybe a special toilet. It says something about that, whatever that says. And then we go outside to the rest of the room. Then we turn to see the rest of the room. Very small, very simple. All you really need is a bed. Most of the light is coming from that window if the light's not there. If the window is closed, it's not too much light in here. All right, we do have more lights and the window shade is down. So we are good. Open concept closet with a few hangers. We got our desk right here. And our air conditioning unit is up there. 3 pillows it looks like. That might be an extra light up there that we can try. But we actually have a nice view, mountain view. So yeah, folks, this is my first City Express. And this is the room.